Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for flights, airports or cities in the FlightAware flight tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the search bar at the top of the page. So here you can search for flights, airports or cities, and you can do that by, for example, searching using a flight number, or just simply type in a city as I did. And if you go to London Heathrow, for example, then you will be able to see all the flights currently above London, its weather, its local time, and all the information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.